To start the vehicle, press down on the brake pedal. And locate the start and stop button, press the button while keeping your foot on the brake. The e-Power system will turn on. The Nissan Kicks features an electronic parking brake for convenience and safety. To release the parking brake, press the brake pedal and push the parking brake switch down. The indicator light on the dashboard will turn off. To engage the parking brake, press down firmly on the brake pedal and pull up the parking brake switch. The Nissan Kicks is equipped with a modern electric shift control that's easy to use and enhances your driving experience. To shift into drive, gently move the electric shift control backward. Pull it down again, and it will shift from drive to B position. To shift from drive to neutral, move the electric shift control upward and hold it. To shift into reverse, press and hold the button on the side of the electric shift control and push forward. To shift from reverse to neutral, move the electric shift control downward and hold it. Finally, to activate park, press the P button on top of the electric shift control. Always ensure the P indicator is displayed before leaving the vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for further information.